Today, changes in the world of cryptocurrency are happening as fast as light, and this comparison is even appropriate in some parts of the global economy, where crypto is starting to replace fiat currencies. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today we're going to talk about Crypto Unleashed. Embark on your digital gold expedition. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get started. Digital gold is not exempt since it is created using the same technology that is used to create digital currencies. Platforms that run on digital technology didn't come into existence until the late 19th and early 20th centuries. In a similar vein, digital gold is a cryptocurrency that uses ETH and is based on the ERC-20 standard. The value of one gold token is equivalent to 99.99% of a gram of gold, providing an alternative means of securing the value of actual gold. Its primary objective is to advance the process of digitizing financial markets. All of the qualities of digital currency, as well as the benefits that simplify your life and make it easier, have occurred or been demonstrated with digital gold ownership. You have an even greater degree of control over who has access to your assets than you do when dealing with actual gold. It is possible to identify it in its entirety, and no one other than the owners is in control of it. This demonstrates that you are free to do so in any wallet of your choosing, that the only way to gain access to it is by using a specific password, that the digital gold band barely monitors the buying, selling, support, and events of tokens, and that there will be no monitoring of your assets by no order. On the other side, one is able to import digital gold into a wallet and carry it with them wherever they travel in the world. The neediness can be conveniently made available anywhere, and this token can be shared. Additionally, if you have a mobile phone, you will always have this necessity with you and by your side. With these improvements, digital gold has been brought up to the same standard as actual gold. Gold in its physical form cannot be transported from one location to another, and there is always the possibility that it will be stolen or misplaced. However, this is not the case with digital gold. As a result of the parent company's role as a liquidity provider in addition to its role as a service provider, users are permitted to carry out an unlimited number of transactions at no additional cost beyond the cost of the yearly subscription to the service and the standard cost of gas, or Ethereum-based transactions. A ruthless organization with the objective of increasing the value of digital gold in the world of digital currencies is the driving force behind this mission. In the past, this mission has been successful in conjunction with this group. Because of this, you shouldn't waste time and should make the most of your opportunity with digital gold. Despite the fact that the book provides various proposals regarding the kind of policy changes that are required to reflect the realities of our modern period. In other words, don't waste time and make the most of your opportunity with digital gold. Gold has been used as a medium of exchange since at least 2000 BC, when ancient Egyptians first began mining the valuable metal. During the Roman Empire, gold was also utilized as currency. Traders only need a laptop and an internet connection to purchase and sell gold in the modern era. Transactions can take place with the press of a button. Gold's status as one of the world's oldest currencies makes it a topic of fascination for a wide variety of observers and enthusiasts, known as gold bugs, whose motivations are frequently at odds with one another. People who have an unusually enthusiastic outlook on the price of gold are sometimes referred to as gold bugs, which is a slang phrase. Because it is not subject to the whims of governments and central banks like currencies are, gold has historically been regarded as a valuable asset that may be stored for future use. However, the value of these things is dependent on what others think they are worth, just like any other commodity, asset, or cryptocurrency. Even though individuals have a variety of motives for buying, investing in, or trading gold, they frequently have a shared perspective on perceived threats presented to fiat currencies, such as inflation. This perception is what makes gold appealing. Since the price of gold is determined in relation to that of fiat currencies, gold's value will rise if fiat currencies see a decline in their purchasing power. Gold investments should be a part of everyone's investment portfolio, even according to the recommendations of so-called financial experts. However, this allocation should be relatively modest. The cryptocurrency industry is composed of a peculiar combination of idealists and opportunists, as well as genuine believers and wild speculators. All of these individuals are united by the same driving force, which is the business of belief. Because of this mentality, they are set apart from the other dealers and investors in the industry. The infrastructure of exchanges is one of the most important types of enterprises that are developed on cryptographic protocols and a belief-based business model. Because of the feelings of users and the rapid development of cryptocurrency markets, cryptocurrency exchanges are no longer merely aiming to supply the most fundamental infrastructure required for buying and selling Bitcoin and other digital currencies. Now, there's even a competition to see who can improve their compliance and trading the most. There are some parallels to be drawn between cryptocurrency exchanges and foreign exchange markets, which are open around the clock and deal in the trading of national currencies from all over the world. When you purchase cryptocurrency through an exchange, you're actually purchasing the digital coins themselves. You will be required to make an account on the exchange, deposit the full amount of the asset in order to open a position, and keep the cryptocurrency tokens in a wallet until the time comes when you're ready to sell them. That's a wrap on the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.